Hey there, thank you for gifting yourself the next few minutes. It's really important to understand that you are a priority and allowing yourself even just few short minutes of internal reflection can really have a positive impact on the rest of your day and your life. So let us sit comfortably and easily with our spine erect. Let us close our eyes. Let us take a deep breath in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Another deep breath in and breathe out. Notice the one most important thing that you are grateful for. Breathe in with that feeling from top of your head to the tips of your toes. Keep a gentle smile. Let it filter through your body. Let it reach to each cell of your body. Each cell of your body started smiling. Just take another deep breath in and breathe out. Become aware of your body. Your body is a beautiful gift given to you by God. Honor and respect your body. Become aware of your feet, your legs, genitals, abdomen, your stomach, your chest, your arms, face, head, the whole body. Your body is like a wick of your candle. Your mind is like a globe. Feel your mind all around your body. Let us take a deep breath in and breathe out. Become aware of your thoughts, whether good thoughts or bad thought. Let them be. Do not resist. Let them come. Let us take a deep breath in and breathe out. You are in harmony with your thoughts right this moment. Take another deep breath in and let go. Become aware of your feelings. Simply observe your feelings, whether good feeling or bad feeling. Let them be. Let us take a deep breath in and breathe out. You are peace. Let us take another deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Once again, become aware of your feelings and emotions and your thoughts, if there are any. Become aware of any sensations in your body. Like fish in the water, we are in the air. Become aware of your environment. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Very slowly and gradually at your own speed.